So my next guest this morning is Murry Percival III, or MP3 as he's commonly known. Great for you to come in.
Yeah,
nice
thank
to
you
see
for having me.
Yeah. So Murry Percival, of course, we think the oldest rep group in the industry.
Yeah.
65 years, is that right?
Yep, Murray Sr. started the business in 1960 and as a rep, and shortly after getting going, he began selling wave solder equipment in the state of Michigan with Electrovert.
Okay.
And that's how we got started, and we still represent those guys today under the ITW brand.
Yeah.
And we're pretty proud of that.
Great. Are there any Electrovert wave solder systems still in the field?
I think there's quite a few. Yeah, we see them out there. And also, we've been with McDermott Alpha for 50 years as a distributor.
Wow.
So
Wow.
I think we're the oldest distributor in the United States with those guys.
Yeah.
So we're proud of that.
Yeah, I would think so. So anyway, let's talk about some of the more recent stuff, Murray, that's been coming into your stable. I believe you've got a new nano coating, first of all.
Yeah, those folks are here at the show today. NanoflowX is a new product that we're seeing in our industry, and it's unique in that it doesn't require any masking. So it's a dip process,
right?
And I think you dip it, and there's some cure time, and then the coating is so thin that you can still make all the electrical connections,
right?
And it's super unique,
right? Well, I mean, okay, there's pluses and minuses for both of these things.
Sure.
I mean, first of all, if you're dipping it, then you're getting complete coverage around the board, around the corners and the edges and everything like that. But then, you know, as you say, when you go to plug in connectors and things like that, it's kind of hard to believe that you're not going to have problems trying to get connections. But because it's a nano coating,
yes,
and it's such a small particle size,
yes,
it doesn't interfere with the electrical signal.
Yes, I'm skeptical, but they tell me it works, and they've got plenty of use cases out there in the field, and we're excited to bring it to more of our customers here in the Midwest.
Right, right. Well, I mean, it's being used in military applications, so therefore it's trickling down to industrial now. So it makes it should be working by now. This
it is.
Yeah.
It is.
Okay. What else is new?
Well, another company that we're partnering with, Prey, out of the UK, they're bringing a universal product inspector into the market. They've got a few dozen of them out there already in Europe, and they're going to break into the market here in the U.S. And it's for the end of the line inspection. Yeah. So, you know, most folks spend a lot of time at the beginning of the line with traceability and AOI, but when it comes to the final assembly at the end, you know, generally it's somebody doing it manually. So. They have a great little machine that ties everything together. You get full traceability, reporting, and it's slick. Yeah,
yeah. This is a machine out of the UK, and it's as you say, it's for the box build area, which is the most labor-intensive area on the line, basically. And it inspects for cracks in final assembly, or for missing screws, or
as well as any markings that may be on the assembly, stickers. You know, you're printing serial numbers or instructions or colors, anything really, and it's top and bottom. You know, the nice thing about David and his team is they're extremely flexible, and they want to bring a product that the market needs. So they're asking us, does this make sense? You know, how do we modify this machine to, you know, really meet any of the customer needs that are out there?
How easy is it to teach?
It's quite simple. A couple of our sales guys were over there earlier, and I think they programmed it in 10 minutes. So if a sales guy can do it in 10 minutes, it's pretty simple. And I'm glad you brought that up, because that is what we tell them is you have to make the programming simple.
Yeah.
Don't complicate it. Make it simple so that you can put an operator on it, they can learn it quickly, and be up and running in no time.
Right. Great. Well, you know, it sounds like a great product. I've been hearing quite a lot about it over the last year or two, but you know, I wish you the best of luck with it here in the US.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, thanks for coming in, Murray, and you know, best of luck.
Yeah, thanks, Trevor.